My friends, as the years pass, the body begins to speak more loudly, sometimes through stiffness, sometimes through aches, and sometimes through conditions like bone spurs or kidney stones. But I want you to know this aging does not mean declining. The body is an intelligent, self-healing creation. When given the right tools, natural remedies, nourishing foods, and a calm, joyful spirit, it can rebuild, repair, and renew itself even in later years. Castor oil has been used for centuries as one of nature's most versatile healing oils, and its benefits for conditions like bone spurs and kidney stones are gaining renewed attention today. What makes castor oil unique is its ability to penetrate deep into the tissues, promoting circulation, reducing inflammation, and stimulating the body's natural detoxification processes. When used externally, it acts as a gentle but powerful tool that works in harmony with the body, not as a force against it. Bone spurs, for instance, are often the result of inflammation and calcium buildup around joints or tendons. They can cause discomfort, stiffness, and even limit mobility. By applying warm castor oil packs to the affected area, the oil's ricinoleic acid content helps soften the tissues and reduce local inflammation. The warmth from the pack enhances absorption, drawing blood and lymphatic flow to the area. This increase in circulation supports the body's natural process of breaking down hardened deposits and encourages tissue repair over time. Unlike synthetic creams or painkillers, castor oil doesn't simply mask symptoms. It supports deeper healing at a cellular level. When it comes to kidney stones, castor oil can also play a supportive role. Kidney stones form when mineral deposits, such as calcium oxalate, accumulate and crystallize within the kidneys. This often happens due to dehydration, poor diet, or high intake of processed and salty foods. Applying a warm castor oil pack over the lower back or kidney area can help ease pain and inflammation, while stimulating lymphatic and circulatory function. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in detoxification, helping the body move waste and excess minerals out of the tissues. Castor oil's natural properties assist this process, allowing the kidneys to function more efficiently. Alongside its topical use, maintaining hydration and supporting the body with cleansing foods and herbal teas enhances the benefits, helping the body gradually dissolve and pass smaller stones before they grow larger or cause significant pain. The beauty of castor oil therapy lies in its simplicity. It doesn't require expensive treatments or complicated equipment, just a soft cloth, warm compress and consistency. When used regularly, even a few times a week, it can bring significant relief to areas affected by pain, stiffness, or inflammation. For older adults whose bodies may take longer to heal, this natural approach provides a soothing, non-invasive option that aligns with how the body naturally restores balance. The goal is not just to remove pain, but to encourage the body to return to its natural rhythm of regeneration. What makes castor oil especially powerful for seniors is that it complements the body's own healing wisdom. As we age, our circulation may slow down, our joints may become less flexible, and toxins can accumulate more easily. Castor oil works by awakening these slower processes, stimulating blood flow, and gently supporting detoxification pathways. It reminds the body how to heal itself, how to move energy through stagnation, and how to restore comfort and mobility without strain or stress. Kidney health is one of the most vital aspects of overall wellness, yet it's often overlooked until problems like kidney stones arise. These stones are small, hard mineral deposits that form inside the kidneys when the body becomes imbalanced in hydration or mineral processing. Most often, they develop because of dehydration, a diet too high in sodium or animal protein, or the overconsumption of processed foods. The kidneys are our body's natural filters responsible for removing waste and balancing fluids, minerals, and electrolytes. When they are overworked or undernourished, minerals such as calcium and oxalate can crystallize, gradually forming painful stones. The encouraging truth is that kidney health can be supported naturally through cleansing, hydration, and mindful nutrition. The foundation of this healing lies in water, pure, clean water that flushes toxins and keeps the urinary system flowing freely. Most people don't realize that even mild dehydration can make the urine more concentrated, providing the perfect environment for crystals to form. By drinking enough water daily, ideally in small, frequent sips, the kidneys are given the steady flow they need to wash away minerals before they can harden into stones. Nature also provides simple yet powerful remedies that work in harmony with the body's cleansing systems. Lemon juice, for instance, contains citric acid, which binds to calcium in the urine and helps prevent stone formation. A glass of warm water with fresh lemon each morning supports kidney function and helps break down smaller stones before they become painful. Herbal teas like dandelion root, parsley, and nettle leaf are traditional cleansers, gently stimulating the kidneys and improving urine flow without straining the organs. Dandelion acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body eliminate waste and excess salt. Parsley tea is another gentle but effective cleanser that can reduce the buildup of minerals in the kidneys. By integrating these simple practices into daily life, the kidneys are constantly supported in their work, reducing the likelihood of stones developing or recurring. Equally important is the role of diet in kidney health. Processed foods, high sodium intake, sugary drinks, and animal fats all burden the kidneys. When the diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, and plant-based foods, the body receives the hydration, fiber, and antioxidants it needs to neutralize acids and support healthy filtration. Foods high in magnesium, such as leafy greens, avocados, and nuts, can help balance minerals and prevent crystallization. Reducing caffeine, alcohol, and artificial additives lightens the kidneys' load and allows them to work more efficiently. For older adults, this gentle cleansing approach not only prevents kidney stones, but also revitalizes energy as the body no longer wastes effort dealing with internal blockages. Cleansing and hydration go hand in hand as lifelong habits that sustain the kidneys' natural rhythm. When we nourish our bodies with living foods, pure water, and herbal support, we allow these organs to do what they were designed to do: purify the blood, balance minerals, and maintain vitality. It's not about harsh detoxes or quick fixes, but about daily choices that create a clean, fluid environment where healing and renewal can thrive. Nutrition is the foundation of health, vitality, and longevity, especially as the body grows older and its needs become more refined. Every cell, tissue, and organ in the human body depends on the nutrients we provide through food, and the quality of those nutrients determines how well the body can rebuild, repair, and renew itself. When we eat fresh, whole, and natural foods, we are giving our bodies the raw materials to function efficiently and remain strong. The body's ability to heal, fight disease, and maintain energy is directly linked to what we consume daily. For seniors whose bodies may not absorb nutrients as effectively as before, mindful eating becomes even more essential. Whole foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. These are the true medicines that support every organ system, strengthen bones, and keep the immune system resilient. When we fill our plates with vibrant foods that come from nature, green leafy vegetables, colorful fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains, we are consuming living energy that the body recognizes and uses efficiently. These foods are packed with natural enzymes and phytonutrients that not only nourish but also cleanse the body from within. Green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli, are rich in calcium and magnesium, which help maintain strong bones and prevent conditions like osteoporosis or bone spurs. Fruits, especially citrus and berries, are loaded with antioxidants that protect cells from aging and inflammation. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, chia, and flaxseed, provide healthy fats that support brain function, joint flexibility, and hormone balance. These foods work together like a symphony, nourishing the body while also keeping it light, energized, and free of toxic buildup. In contrast, refined and processed foods rob the body of its vitality. Sugar, white flour, fried foods, and artificial additives create inflammation, slow digestion, and lead to the accumulation of toxins. Over time, these unhealthy choices can burden the liver, kidneys, and digestive tract, reducing their ability to cleanse and regulate the body's internal environment. For older adults, this buildup can lead to fatigue, joint pain, and sluggishness. The good news is that the body can begin to repair itself almost immediately once wholesome foods replace harmful ones. Every meal is a chance to rebuild cells with better materials, and the results show not only in physical health but also in mental clarity, emotional balance, and overall energy. Proper nutrition also involves how and when we eat. Taking time to eat slowly, chew thoroughly, and appreciate the meal allows better digestion and absorption of nutrients. Drinking plenty of water supports this process, ensuring that nutrients are transported efficiently to cells and waste is flushed out smoothly. A diet rich in plant-based foods also keeps the digestive system active, preventing constipation and helping maintain a healthy weight. The energy that comes from clean eating is steady and sustaining rather than the short bursts and crashes that come from processed food. The more we feed the body with natural nourishment, the more it responds with strength, vitality, and renewal, proving that true healing begins at the table. Movement is one of the most natural and powerful medicines available to the human body, and it becomes even more vital as we grow older. The body is designed for motion, and every muscle, joint, and organ thrives on activity. When we move, blood flows freely, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell while removing toxins and waste products. This circulation keeps the tissues alive, the mind alert, and the spirit uplifted. Yet many older adults fall into the trap of believing that aging means slowing down or becoming fragile. In reality, the more we move, the more vitality we awaken. Light, consistent exercise maintains flexibility, builds strength, and enhances balance, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. The body rewards movement with energy because activity stimulates the production of hormones and endorphins that make us feel alive, youthful, and mentally sharp. Simple, gentle forms of exercise can have profound effects on overall wellness. A daily walk, for instance, improves heart health, strengthens muscles, and helps maintain a healthy weight. Walking outdoors also boosts mood and encourages relaxation, allowing the nervous system to unwind and the mind to stay positive. Stretching and light yoga increase flexibility and joint lubrication, reducing stiffness and discomfort caused by aging or inflammation. Resistance exercises using light weights or even body weight help preserve bone density and muscle tone, which are critical for maintaining independence and strength in later years. Even a few minutes of regular stretching upon waking and before bedtime can make a noticeable difference in how the body feels and moves. Movement should never be seen as a chore, but as a gift, a way to celebrate life, reconnect with the body, and express gratitude for its incredible design. The benefits of movement go beyond the physical body. Regular activity improves mental health by reducing anxiety, easing depression, and increasing focus and confidence. When we move, our brains release chemicals like serotonin and dopamine that enhance happiness and motivation. It also improves sleep quality helping the body repair itself more effectively each night. For older adults, this emotional and cognitive boost can be life-changing, keeping the mind sharp and the heart joyful. Movement connects body and spirit, reminding us that energy is meant to flow, not stagnate. Just as water becomes murky when it stands still, the human body becomes sluggish and stiff without motion. Consistency is the key to lasting results. Movement doesn't have to be strenuous or complicated. It only needs to be regular and intentional. Gardening, dancing, swimming, stretching, or even cleaning the house can all count as healthy activity when done mindfully. The goal is not perfection but progress, to keep the body active enough to encourage circulation, flexibility, and strength. As movement becomes a daily ritual, it transforms not only physical health but also emotional resilience. The body becomes lighter, the spirit brighter, and the mind clearer, all because we honor the simple truth that life itself is movement and movement sustains life. Mindset plays a far greater role in health and vitality than most people realize. The way we think, feel, and speak to ourselves shapes the chemistry of the body and the direction of our well-being. A positive mindset is not just about being cheerful. It is a powerful internal medicine that influences every system within us. When we focus on gratitude, peace, and optimism, our bodies release healing hormones, our immune system strengthens, and our stress levels drop. Conversely, when we dwell on fear, anger, or hopelessness, the body tenses, digestion slows, and inflammation increases. For seniors, maintaining a hopeful and grateful attitude is one of the most effective ways to stay youthful, both in spirit and in physical health. The mind and body are deeply connected, and a peaceful mind allows the body to rest, repair, and rejuvenate. Gratitude is one of the simplest yet most profound healing emotions. Taking time each day to appreciate life, loved ones, and even small blessings helps shift focus from what is missing to what is abundant. This shift changes the body's stress response, lowering cortisol levels and promoting calmness. Laughter works in a similar way. When we laugh, we release endorphins that ease pain, reduce blood pressure, and increase feelings of well-being. Even a smile can send signals to the brain that all is well, allowing tension to melt away. Joyful emotions are not trivial. They are deeply therapeutic, influencing heart rhythm, immune response, and even cellular regeneration. The more we nurture positive emotions, the more the body aligns with health and balance. Forgiveness and letting go of resentment also play an essential part in maintaining wellness. Holding on to anger or bitterness creates chronic stress that silently damages the body over time. When we release emotional burdens, we make space for peace and clarity to return. This emotional freedom strengthens the immune system and restores mental harmony. Many older adults carry years of unhealed emotion, yet by choosing to forgive and move forward, they unlock a new sense of lightness and vitality that radiates through the entire body. Peace of mind is one of the greatest gifts we can give ourselves because it restores balance from the inside out. A positive mindset also means speaking kindly to oneself. The words we repeat become the beliefs we live by, and those beliefs directly shape our experience of health. Saying, "I am strong, I am healing," or "I am thankful for my body" may seem simple, but these affirmations create new pathways in the brain that reinforce hope and resilience. The body listens to every thought, and when those thoughts are filled with faith and love, the body responds in kind. Surrounding oneself with uplifting people, inspiring music, and meaningful activities keeps the spirit alive and engaged. Life becomes lighter, energy flows more freely, and healing happens naturally. A peaceful, joyful heart is the most potent medicine available, guiding the body towards strength, renewal, and vibrant health at every age.